Here is a second way to create a symbol for electrical installation. If you need to use a symbol from the single line also in electrical installation, proceed as follows. Find the single line symbol you want to use in your single line symbol library. Open the context menu with a right click on a symbol of your choice and start the symbol editor. Now simply change the technology from Electrical Engineering 1 pole to Electrical Installation. Now save the symbol with Save As in a EI library. If no EI library exists, create a new one. To keep the overview, replace the ending 1 pole with the ending EI. After a refresh of your symbol explorer, now you can place the EI symbol in the electrical installation schematic and assign it the reference name of the part to be linked from the schematic. Double-click on your symbol, move it to your plan, and with S or Shift S you can assume the enlargement. Now choose the reference name of the part you want to be linked from the schematic. You will see a blue I on the left side from the reference name.